Howdy, friend. Tyson Bowman, Rockstar Life Realty, your one and only source that is life built upon the rock. So, monthly market update. Let's get into it. Pop off. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So, homes sold. Well, we're down 2% from last year. No surprise there, but I mean, that's astounding considering all the fear that is being pushed in the media about, oh, the real estate market is on its way to a crash. I don't think so. Not by the data we're seeing here. Median sales price, check it out, up 10% from last year. Sellers, take note. Look at the data. These numbers don't lie. These are very accurate. Up 10% in just a year. Median list price, check it out, up 11% from last year. And my sellers that are actively working with me right now, I think some of them are a little surprised. When we put those properties on market, if they're marketed well, and that does take an expert to market them well, by the way. Actually, it's a very serious undertaking. I think a lot of y'all are surprised at the activity that is happening once those properties go live. And many properties are getting multiple offers, selling for over asking. Lots of cash offers too, which is surprising to a lot of people. So sale to list price ratio down 1% from last year. No surprise there. Sales volume up 12%. That's awesome. Median days on market about the same. So that's only 7 days on market. That is a very short time period from active to under contract. So take note, sellers. If you got a property, maybe you bought in 2019, right before we had a big jump, or maybe in between 2012 and very early 2020, you're sitting on some substantial equity. Maybe there's some things you want to do in your life. Maybe you want to go start a new business. Maybe you want to move somewhere else. Maybe you want to just go on a long trip somewhere around the world, and you can use that money. Take note. I would love to present you some data on your property. Also, please check out the link below. It's the best home valuation tool on the market that you can use without an agent, without anybody knowing your business. This is all for you. A lot of you have used this tool already and you really like it because it gives you accurate data of comps in your neighborhood, recently comparable sold properties. And it gives you a very good price. So you can kind of know what you're going to net without contacting an agent, without going through all the hassle, without selling all of your data and private information to big companies like Zillow and Realtor. Feel free to use it. Links down below. Free home values. I think I call it the Rockstar Life Freedom Booster tool. And remember, peace, power, love, victory. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make your legacy legendary. Rockstar Life Realty. We'll talk to you soon.